Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have admin rights and a file backup. Now start the process. Hold Shift and click Restart or Boot Recovery USB to reach Advanced Startup. Once there, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. Make sure you note the Windows Drive letter, sometimes it's D, in Recovery. You're now at a command prompt with system access. Proceed carefully because changes here affect boot behavior. This first step gets you to the exact environment to cancel automatic repair. From the recovery command prompt, type bcdedit/set default recovery enabled no and press enter. This tells the boot manager to stop invoking automatic repair. Once done, run reagent/disable to turn off the Windows recovery environment's auto-launch behavior. This prevents future loops. Make sure to check bcdedit output to confirm the change, and use reagent/info to verify restatus is disabled. If you see different identifiers, substitute the correct identifier shown. Accuracy here avoids misconfiguring another OS entry. After disabling recovery, exit and restart the PC to test a normal boot. If Windows still hits a repair loop, boot back to Advanced Startup and run sfc/scano to fix system files, then chkdsk/f on the Windows partition to address disk errors. These often trigger automatic repair. Once stable, you can re-enable the recovery environment with reagent/enable so recovery tools remain available. If anything goes wrong, restore from your backup or use system. Restore points before retrying these commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.